Bitcoin is having a small retracement, but I'm not worried about it whatsoever. We have this absolute crazy bull run, boom, pullback, boom, pullback, boom, pullback, boom, pullback. Again, we haven't really had much of a pullback. This could just be the beginning of the pullback before we absolutely run. You're on a logarithmic scale. Let's go ahead and take a peek at this. This could be considered a double bottom. But again, this to the peak was around 16.2. Go ahead and measure up to around 16.2. It's coming back and testing that range, and before we can continue to push higher. What we're gonna do, we're gonna hit our head on that all-time high of around 65,000. And again, that we could be just consolidating here for the next maybe couple of weeks, just maybe back and forth with really large candles like we have been seeing. For green, maybe not even bounce off this bottom one again, because that might be a little bit too long, because this is all the way in September. I'm actually looking for a potential rebound, break through that 21 EMA before maybe building up and then breaking out. We can go ahead and have a price target of this of, we can go ahead and bring that up just a little bit. That's around 27,000. 27,000, that brings us right at around $90,000. 90,000, and that could very well hit within this year, but you know, I don't know how likely that is. We just bounced off the 50 SMA, and us being able to squeeze up this 21 EMA, we'll be able to just pull up and almost squeeze us out of this ascending triangle. And that's what I'm really looking for. But you know, I have no idea if it's going to actually happen or not. We did have a flash sale back then. This could be considered a small flash sale. 2 weeks in a row we've been in a downtrend, so we are looking for that retracement. And I'm not worried about it at all, because if we go ahead and take a peek at some Fibonacci levels, we can see, I'm going to take it from this swing low. You can see that it pulled back right to that 50% level. So if we can take that trend based, that 50% level is also at $92,000. And I could see it popping up to $90,000 in order for it to actually keep moving and going in the direction that we want. But you know, it's all good if it doesn't, because we are long-term investors and we could give two shits about what's going to happen. So again, I think that's it. I'm going to keep this video nice and short. You know, you don't need to keep too much on Bitcoin. But again, we very well could see that $90,000 coin before too long. I do think we could potentially see a pullback. If we do see a pullback below that 50% level, then it's not looking good. But we do have long-term support of 20,000. And this is at a 200 SMA. It's at around 13,000 right now. I do believe if we do break down, we are going to either continue to push up, and ideally we want this to kind of be close to this 200 SMA, because if we go ahead and look in the past on this bear market, runs up, pulls back to the 200 SMA. So that's basically what I'm looking for. Because we have this sharp run up and a sharp drop. But again, this is more of a rounding than a sharp drop. I mean, it is a sharp drop, but it's kind of rounding out. So we really just need to stay above this $37,000 range in order for us to be even considered to hit that $92,000 price target. But again, I'm buying more Bitcoin when it pulls back to this 200 SMA. See how it found support here, whoops, and so I really just wanted to continue to oh, there it was. So that's what I'm looking for, and I'm pretty excited about it. But I'm always playing, and again, that's a price target of 92,000, and this is another price target of around anywhere from $15,000 to $20,000. So it's really up to you as a trader to identify when you should, or what's going to happen when you should buy. And this is just my strategy, and you can do whatever you want. But Thank you guys so much for watching. If you considered subscribing, or consider subscribing, it helps with the channel, and you can stay up to date on your favorite cryptocurrencies. I do videos like these every single day, so I can keep you guys updated. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you haven't already, consider subscribing. I'm giving away $100 when we hit 1,000. Thank you guys so much. Peace.